Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the video. Today we're going to talk about a loan hack to boost your credit score over 100 points. So let's get right into it. Alright, so why? Why are we going to do a loan hack? Why do we need a loan hack in the first place? So this is purely to build your credit and add positive history to your report. There's two ways to do this. You can do it via secured loan with your own money, or you can do it with an unsecured loan, the bank's money. So why? Banks are looking for good credit history, meaning if you have a large loan paid off, they will more than likely give you minimum double that loan the next time. So for example, if you have a $10,000 loan paid off in full, next time you'll be able to qualify for $20,000 or $30,000, and so on and so forth. And the benefit of this is you get bigger and better, right? So if you had a car, a $20,000 car loan, you pay that off. Next time around, you can get a $40,000, $60,000, $70,000, so on and so forth. You keep building and building and building, and banks enjoy seeing paid off items. You're building the relationship with them. So the more you can do that, the better overall for your score. All right. So how does the loan hack work? It's quick, easy, simple. So you need decent credit for it to work in an unsecured manner. So you need a decent score. Decent score would be anywhere between 680 up. More preferably, you want it to be over 700. But there are some places that will give you nice lines of credit for it with a 680 score. So you want to apply for and take out a personal loan from your bank or credit union, from anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 plus. Anything over $1,000. $500 works, but we're looking for larger amounts. So anything over $1,000 will work. And in that first month, what you're going to do is immediately pay 90% of the loan off. So if you get a $10,000 loan, you're going to pay $9,000 that first month. So you get the loan month one, and then usually the second month after that is when the first payment is due. You're going to pay $9,000 on that loan. So now you have a $1,000 balance, and you want to keep that balance alive for the next 6 months. So you'll be making the minimum payment for the next 6 months. So let's go on to the next slide and see what we accomplished with doing that. So we just created a fully paid off $10,000 loan and established a solid relationship with that bank. So after the loan is paid off, you can leverage your relationship with that bank and go after double next time and continually repeat the process. And you can even do it amongst different banks. The key is building a relationship and showing responsibility over a period of time with a large amount of money. So this has worked for me time and time again, friends, clients in the past. And it's honestly the easiest, quickest way to build a relationship with a bank, while simultaneously strengthening your credit overall. So you're leveraging a relationship with the bank as well as building your credit overall, so that you can go to other banks and they will be able to see that, and they can see, oh, okay, John Doe has a $10,000 loan paid off, a $20,000 loan paid off with them. I'm comfortable with lending them out $20,000, $40,000, $60,000, so on and so forth. So this is the game, man. This is the credit game that you had to build that relationship. You have to do the work before, so you can reap the benefits afterwards. And you just rinse and repeat. You just keep doing it over and over and over again, and eventually you'll have $1 million credit lines. It may sound impossible, but it's very, very possible. And yeah, all you have to do is start off with $1,000 and keep building on top of that. So yep, that's the end of the video. Quick and easy process, man. Less than 5 minutes to explain. I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure to smash that like button, help get this out to more people. Tap the subscribe button, help us with our current goal on the channel to reach 1,000 subs. I believe in you guys. We're going to do it together. We're going to grow together. So thank you for that subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can always email me directly at info@tycoontalk.xyz, or you can leave a comment below. I try to read all the comments, and I definitely read all my emails, and I will respond back to them as soon as possible. And also I have links in the description to purchase credit repair products. We can actually go over some right now. So this is the store. So I have a FCRA cheat sheet. You see my other videos talking about the importance of the Fair Credit Reporting Act. We have some consciousness worksheets here, charge-off template if you want to get any negative items removed, inquiry removal template right here. We have some of my credit my crypto products right here, business checklist, and then I have a whole bundle where you can get everything together for one price, man. So go ahead and check the description for that. And if you like this video, check out the other videos on my channel where I talk about making money with crypto passively, you know, completely easy, consciousness, and much more. And that's it, guys. May infinite abundance flow to you now and forever, my friends. I'll see you again tomorrow. Peace.